BlocklyProp has a very nice feature for graphing. To demonstrate it, we'll use the sound level sensor. It's an analog sensor, and it's connected to A to D port 0. You could do this with accelerometers, ultrasonic sensors, whatever we make at Parallax. Let's go write some code. This is project 47181 in case you want to access it directly. The graphing blocks are under Communicate. There are 2 of them. You'll need them both. The initialize block goes on the top of your program, and then graph goes in the body of your loop. There's a gear icon because you can graph multiple channels, so you can add in as many as you want. However, we're just using 1, so we'll keep this really simple. Also, you cannot mix the graph block with the terminal blocks. You can only use one or the other. Label will appear on the graph, so we'll call it sound level in Ken's office. And then we'll go get an analog value to attach to it, and let's download. And you'll see the graph come up, and so right now I'll be very, very quiet, and then auto scale. As I get really, really loud, will make quiet look really small in the graph. What do you think of that? These controls are for pause, or restart, take a snapshot, which you can save, or create a comma-separated value file for analysis in Sheets or Excel. And you can also reset the graph and start it over again. It's getting very quiet in here. I think I'm going to go now. Bye-bye.